Who can see the post you are tagged in on your profile on Facebook? Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to limit who can see the post you are tagged in on your profile on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app. In here, click on those three lines up there, click on the setting icon beside the search icon, scroll down until you find profile and tag in. Now you're gonna find who can see post you are tagged in on your profile, and you can limit who can see it. Everyone, friends or friends, friends except someone, or just your friends. And you can click on see more to see more options and to choose. And if you are done, click on save. And this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.